Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 4. We are learning Unit 3. Its title is Markets in Big Cities of Pakistan. Today is lecture 5. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, so today we'll complete reading and comprehension of this unit and we'll cover page number 21, 22 and 23 of your book. Before this, in English for grade 3, I have already taught you the post-reading strategies to respond to the text. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch the video lecture of this unit again. Today we learn further and we learn to use post-reading strategies to respond to the text by applying word knowledge and give own opinion about the text read. This is our today's essay. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran Surah Al-Furqan verse 7, and they say, what is this messenger that eats food and walks in the markets? Why was there not sent down to him an angel so he would be with him a warner? Yes, my dear children, this beautiful verse, there are many things mentioned in this verse, but our focus is the beautiful sunnah of our Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wasallam to walk in the markets. And I told you yesterday to learn the sunnah, so hope you have learned many and do practice them as well whenever you go to the market. So now you tell me, why do people go to the markets? Yesterday I taught you about it. And also, what did you know? What do you remember about Khajur Bazaar? Remember yesterday we talked about it. So pause the video, answer these questions to your teacher, then we'll continue. Yes, my dear students, I hope you have answered. People go to market to buy and sell the products, and Khajur market is one of the largest market of Khajur, and that is in Karachi. Good. So let's start reading on page number 22. All of you open your book on page number 22. I'm going to start reading from the second last paragraph of this page. So listen carefully because after me you have to read it. Lahore is the biggest city in Punjab. It has many markets like Anarkali Bazaar, Urdu Bazaar, Hall Road Market, Ichra Bazaar, Liberty Market, and many small markets. Anarkali is the oldest bazaar in Lahore. It is situated in the heart of the old city. Here we can find several sub-markets. Several means many. Sub means small markets, means which are the parts of this market for garments. It is our favorite shopping place for females where they can buy clothes at a reasonable price. At one end of Anarkali, there is Urdu Bazaar. Okay, it's the name of a bazaar. It is the biggest market of books and stationery in Asia. Okay, not only in Pakistan, it is the biggest market of stationery and books of Asia. So here I want you, if you are in Lahore, so from where can you buy books and stationeries? Okay, that's a very simple question. Pause the video, answer this question to your teacher and also tell the reason. Which bazaar will you select and why? Yes, I hope all of you would like to do shopping of books and stationery from Urdu Bazaar. We just read about it because it is the biggest market of books and stationery of Asia. All right, so books and stationery items are also supplied to other cities of the province. Hall Road is an electronics market. Electronics mean all the appliances, the instruments which are operated by electricity. So all the articles of electronics we can buy from Hall Road, where we can buy electronic appliances like TVs, LCDs, DVD players, ACs, refrigerators, mobile phone. This is here page 23. I hope all of you got it. Mobile phones and their parts. Ichra Bazaar is the cheapest market in Lahore for women and kids wear, jewelry and other household items. Markets are the hub of various business activities. And what does hub mean? Hub means center. Like whatever the business activities are there, the market is hub of that. How we can explain hub? Like it is center, the way, everyone does something to earn money, and where do they spend? They go to market. So in this way, for all the business activities, market becomes the center point where you go, spend money, take articles, and the people whom you give money, they also spend in buying this stuff and selling that. So in this way, all the circle goes on. Busy markets are a sign of a progressing economy. This is how the economy grows. Progressing means it makes improvement, and economy means all the activities which involve money. The rise in demand leads to the growth of markets and the economy. Means the more you need articles, the things you will go to market, the more markets and economy will improve. All right, growth means they will increase, they will improve. All right, so this is all about the markets. We are done with reading. First, you tell me some famous markets of Pakistan we have just read. So pause the video, answer this question to your teacher. Yes, are you done with it? Okay. So once again, it's your time for reading. Pause the video and teacher kindly take reading from students. Do correct them for pronunciation and everything. And then we'll come back with a very interesting activity. So pause the video, read the text. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. So here is a very interesting activity for you. What you are going to do? Its title is Share Your Opinion, and teacher will divide class in 5 groups. Teacher will show picture or card of different markets we just read in the text, and each group will tell the name of the market, the details of the market, and will also share opinion about that market. Right, so teacher, first of all, you make 5 groups of your class, and then I'm going to help you to show different pictures. So make the groups and come back. All right, so here I have picture for group 1. Are you ready? Here you go. Tell me the name, details, and your opinion about this market. Yes, I hope you guessed it correctly. It's Qissa Khwani Bazaar in Peshawar, and many details you must have shared. The next picture is for group 2. Look at this picture, tell the name, details, and your opinion. Yes, it's Sadr Bazaar, and especially this picture is in your book as well. It's Empress Market, that's in Karachi, and you know many more things from the text you just read. Okay, group 3, are you ready? Here I come with the picture for group 3. It was very easy. Yes, you're right. It's Khajur Market, the largest market of Khajur in Pakistan, and that's in Karachi. And many more things you must have shared. And group 4, that's for you. Yes, once again, it was an easy clue. How? Because you can find many names of electronics. So it's a picture of Hall Road, an electronics market, and that is in Lahore. Good. And now group 5, the last picture is for you. Are you ready? Okay, here you go. Yes, my dear children, you guessed it correctly because again the clue is very clear. The books and many things are, it is a picture of Urdu Bazaar. Urdu Bazaar is in Lahore and it is the biggest stationery and books market of Asia. Good. All right, so after this interesting activity, it's time for practice. All of you settle down, go back to your seats, open your book on page number 23. And here you go. You will, this part of the question 1 was left. You will answer this question and you will write the sentences of these words in your notebook. You will complete MCQs. All right, so pause the video, complete this exercise and come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. And it's, it's time for your homework. You will write few sentences in your notebook about your last visit to a market, and you will use simple past tense because it's your visit you have already done. All right, and here I'm giving you worksheet once again, my dear fellow teachers. These worksheets, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are there. You may click it, download it, print the worksheets and kindly provide printed worksheet to students for practice. And students, what we are going to do, read the paragraph, look at the pictures, complete the comprehension. There are 3 exercises altogether. So in this way, what we have learned today, we learned to respond to the text by applying word knowledge, and we also used post-reading strategies to give our opinion about the text read. In this way, we achieved our SLO, that was to use post-reading strategies to respond to the text by applying word knowledge and give own opinion about the text read. Are we done with it? Yes, and we thoroughly enjoyed doing it. That's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep practicing, keep learning. Take very good care of yourself and the people around you. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.